Hello and welcome to ZimdiTv, streaming live from the capital city, Harare. And in the studio today, I have a man, not just an ordinary man, but a man of cloth, and clearly Pastor Philip Mugadza. Pastor, welcome to ZimdiTv.
Thank you so much, Robert.
Pastor Philip Mugadza has a story to tell. It is not just an ordinary story, but a story that I think you and me can sit down, watch and discuss and map a way forward. It is very rare to have a man who come out and say, my wife has done ABC, but it has always been the opposite. But today, Pastor Philip Mugadza is saying his wife attempted to rape him. Yes, you got me right. Pastor Philip Mugadza said his wife attempted to rape him. Please stay tuned, like and invite friends so that we can discuss this issue. Like ZimdiTv. For now, let's take a break. Then after that, we talk to Pastor Mugadza.
Wangori kupi nandichedza kukufonera singadai refono ngori kupi ndachongori kupi ndoza ndisingadai izvozvo kuri mudagona nobika chikafu choko wega napo kusira chikafu
mwana sori zvenyuka ndandinonoka kubva kubasa uko
Share
Yes, thank you for staying tuned. As I've said, today in the studio we have Pastor Philip Patrick Mugadza to tell us his story. As you have seen, our topic says, can husbands be raped? But for now, on Friday, we received messages that Pastor Philip Mugadza is saying his wife attempted to rape him. And we dragged the pastor to come to the studio to tell us his story. Pastor Mugadza, welcome back.
Thank you so much.
For me and others, this might be unique. But first, tell us what happened on Friday in the morning.
Oh, it was Friday morning, and I was, I think, in a dreamland when I realized that my wife was like holding me. And
how holding you by the hand?
She was like, I was putting on a bottom, a track bottom. Right, because I had to sleep with my clothes, many of them, really, my jackets and all that, so that I could feel some warmth.
Okay.
Because of what had happened before, I was like sleeping on the bed with no proper blankets, because my wife had like taken all the blankets from the bed.
You had other issues.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, close to that, and then she was like sleeping on the floor. And then she's like, you know, pulling me. And I'm like saying, hey, what's going on? And he says to me, you know, I want you to have sex with me. And I say, I mean, look at this. You're sleeping down there, and I'm here, I'm so cold for the past 2 days. Right? Even with the baby also. One day with the baby being cold, the two of us. And now you're saying that you need me to actually to like satisfy you one or the other. It's not possible, because a lot of things are happening in my head right now. Okay, I'm not settled.
You were telling her?
Yes, I was telling her, right? Because she knows to say that. I don't know if it happens to everybody, every other man, but this is what happens to me. To say that if I'm troubled, if I'm like stressed, I cannot perform well. Okay, it's like sexually, right? Even if she tries everything else, like caressing me and holding me, whichever the way, it won't happen. That's how it is like. Because it's saying to her, no, it's not possible.
Yes.
Okay, we can have it later, but not now. Yeah, but with it was like, hey, now, right? And then she was like pulling me down. Okay, I said, no, you know what you're doing is like you're forcing me. Okay, and this is not good. You know, right? And then I said to her, okay, you're raping me. Do you want to rape me? Then she says, no, I don't want to rape you. Then I said, okay, fine. So let me go. If you don't want to. She said, no, I won't let you go. And then I said, okay, fine. I will make some noise, and then people will get to hear, right? And they said, okay, go ahead and do that. And I did that. She thought I wasn't going to, right? Then I shouted at the whole thing. I said, please let me go, like with a higher voice. And then that's when she let me